My dear students, I am going to explain you the difference between arithmetic mean and average. In the case of arithmetic mean, you find that between two numbers we have to find the arithmetic mean when the different numbers are given in arithmetic progression. And in that case, if the series are given, the sequence is given, and in that between two numbers we can, and those two numbers will be any two numbers we will take, and then that's arithmetic mean equals to that number first and second number sum divided by 2. That means whichever numbers have been given whose arithmetic mean we have to find out, that sum divided by 2 will be the arithmetic mean, and this will be only when possible the numbers are given in arithmetic progression. But in the case of average, you find there is more than two numbers will be there, and the sum of all the numbers divided by number of, that means total numbers. Suppose 5 numbers are given, and it is not necessary that they should be in arithmetic progression, so it can be any. And so suppose 5 numbers are there, all those numbers are added, so sum of 5 numbers divided by 5 will give us the average. Suppose 10 numbers are given, and all those 10 numbers are not in arithmetic progression, and that's average we have to find out. So sum of all those 10 numbers divided by 10 will give us the average. But there are 10 numbers and all are in arithmetic progression. In that, any two numbers we take, and then that's arithmetic mean if you want to find out. So sum of those two numbers divided by 2 will give us the arithmetic mean. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.